Rainfall expected today in New Delhi. Temperatures to range from 29.7 degrees Celsius to 38.3 degrees Celsius. Humidity levels will stay around 55%. Around 6.2 millimeters rain likely in the afternoon. Winds will blow at 21.2 kilometers per hour. Residents should carry umbrellas or raincoats. Evening rain may disrupt commutes. Roads could be slippery due to rain. Rain will slightly reduce the heat. Humid air may feel heavy despite showers. Wind will not cause major disruptions. Stay hydrated in heat and humidity. Rain may cool down the evening. More rain and heat ahead this week. 18th June to C40. 1 degree Celsius and light showers. 19th June will be hottest at 41.3 degrees Celsius. Moderate rain likely on 19th June. Temps drop slightly over the weekend.